Did you know the average American loses over $2,000 every single year just because of simple money mistakes? In today's video, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest money mistakes Americans make in 2026 and how you can avoid them to save thousands, invest smarter, and actually grow your wealth. If you've ever wondered why your paycheck disappears faster than coffee on a Monday morning, this video is for you. Stick around. These tips could change your financial life. Mistake number 1, not having a proper budget. Even if you earn a 6-figure salary, without tracking your spending, you're basically letting your money slip through your fingers. Here's what most Americans do wrong. They rely on memory or mental notes, overspend on subscriptions, coffee, and online shopping. Solution: start simple. Track every dollar for a month. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or Personal Capital. Create categories: needs, wants, savings. Once you see where your money is going, controlling it becomes way easier. Pro tip: automate savings. Pay yourself first. Mistake number 2, carrying high-interest debt. Credit cards, payday loans, or even store cards, these can silently drain thousands every year. Example: if you have a $5,000 credit card balance at 20% APR, that's over $1,000 in interest a year if you only make minimum payments. Solution: 1. Pay off the highest interest debt first, the avalanche method. 2. Consider balance transfer cards with 0% APR offers. 3. Never skip payments. It hurts your credit score and your wallet. Tip: even small extra payments reduce interest massively over time. Mistake number 3, not investing early. Americans often wait too long to start investing. Fact: if you start investing $500 a month at age 25 at 7% return, by 65 you'll have over $1 million. Start at 35, you'll barely hit $500K. That's the power of compound interest. Solution: start small. Even $50 a month helps. Use tax-advantaged accounts, 401k, IRA, Roth IRA. Don't try to time the market. Consistency wins. Pro tip: dollar-cost averaging reduces risk. Mistake number 4, ignoring taxes. Americans often overpay by thousands each year because they miss simple deductions, credits, or retirement contributions. Example: maxing out a Roth IRA or contributing to a 401k can lower your taxable income significantly. Solution: keep receipts for deductions, charity, work expenses. Use apps like TurboTax, H&R Block Tax, or Credit Karma Tax. Consult a CPA if you have multiple income streams. Sometimes paying $300 saves you $3,000. Tip: tax planning is part of wealth building. Mistake number 5, lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, suddenly your rent, car, and shopping go up too, leaving you no better off. Americans fall into this trap without realizing it. Solution: keep expenses steady when income rises. Automate investments. Increase your 401k instead of splurging. Live below your means. Even a little creates long-term wealth. Tip: track your net worth monthly. It keeps you accountable. So there you have it, the 5 biggest money mistakes Americans make in 2026 and how you can avoid them. Quick recap: no budget? Track your spending. High interest debt? Pay it off. Not investing early? Start now. Ignoring taxes? Plan smart. Lifestyle inflation? Live below your means. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below which mistake you're guilty of, and I'll give you a bonus tip on fixing it. Remember, wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how smartly you manage it. Start today, thank yourself later.